narrator of the group.
I am Zion Jacob Dubusi, the second narrator of the group.
This is our actors for today that will portray the characters in our roleplay. This is Kian Ruiz, Gavin Talado, Rain Binangwa, and Mateo Dairi. Let's proceed to our roleplay. Do you know what's a good partner with a cool weather? It's good when you're with your friends as make you feel warm and calm, especially if you bond with them.
This roleplay is titled Cool Weather and Bonding with Friends. It's all about spending time with your friends and enjoying their company.
Rain, Gavin, Mateo, and Kian felt how cold it was outside.
Hey, it's so cold, isn't it?
Yeah, I do.
It's probably because of the cold season this past few months.
Gavin's right. You know what would make this school season long?
What is it?
Spending time with each other.
Yes, I agree. We can cook together if you want.
Cooking? I love cooking, but what should we cook though? I'm thinking maybe sinigang?
Yes, everybody loves sinigang.
I'll go prepare the ingredients.
They started to prepare the ingredients.
Okay, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Makulay!
Makulay!
Ang buhay!
Ang buhay!
Makulay ang buhay sa sinigang gulay!
They started to cook the sinigang. They laughed and enjoyed each other's company. They made the sinigang make it soft and warm.
You know, guys, we should do this often. It made me feel happy and loved.
I agree. The school season with their favorite sinigang makes it much better.
Can we taste it now?
Yep, I think it's ready.
They finished cooking the sinigang, then tasted it.
Asim! Thank you!
That's our roleplay for today. I am Princess Alquas, the narrator of Group 3.
And I am Zion Jacob Dubusi, the second narrator of Group 3.
Thank you for watching.